Hello everyone, welcome to another video, another celestial tour. You've probably heard myths about the hypothetical planet X in our solar system called Nibiru and how it is going to hit Earth. Now, are these myths or does such a planet called Nibiru really exist? Let's figure it out in this video. According to some astronomers, there is mathematical evidence suggesting that there is a planet X, aka a planet 9. The object may circle the Sun 20 times further on average than Neptune and have a mass around 10 times that of Earth. One complete circle of the Sun may take between 10,000 to 20,000 Earth years for the planet to complete. The news does not imply the existence of a brand new planet in our solar system. Currently, there's just theoretical evidence supporting the existence of this far-off planet, and no first-hand observations of the object known as Planet 9 have been made. The Kuiper Belt is a far-off area of ice debris that stretches well beyond the orbit of Neptune, and some of its smaller objects have peculiar trajectories that may be explained by the mathematical prediction of a planet. Even though the ninth planet stays as a hypothesis, there are myths and rumors about this planet. This planet is called Nibiru to some. According to the rumors, Nibiru is supposed to be a large planetary object that will collide with Earth, and a disastrous event would happen on Earth. In other words, the doomsday event would happen. Some groups believe that this phenomenon would happen in the early 21st century. This is called the Nibiru cataclysm. Furthermore, it got associated with the 2012 phenomenon, where the Mayan calendar predicted that the doomsday event would happen in 2012. Since I was at a very young age, I don't really remember much, but apparently people actually believed in it. And since I'm partially Turkish, I've learned that the believers went to the small village called Şirince in the Turkish province of Izmir. You can research about that. Anyways, back to the main topic. Of course, without any harm, Earth is still an unharmed planet and no such planetary object even passed by. However, Comet Elenin was a thing in 2012. People mixed the comet with Nibiru. So where did all this Nibiru stuff come from? The story began in 1976 when an author called Zecharia Sitchin wrote a book called The 12th Planet, where he asserts that Sumerian mythology suggests a planet called Nibiru that orbits the Sun every 3,600 years. By the way, my previous video was about Mesopotamia. You may watch in the top right. It will also appear in the end screen. After years, a self-described psychic woman called Nancy Lider claimed that she had been told by the aliens she allegedly channeled that this planet would collide with Earth in 2003. The date was shifted back to 2012, when it was associated with the end of the Mayan long count period, following a year without any collisions. Despite the fact that comets and planets look significantly different when seen through a telescope, many people were worried when Comet Elenin first emerged in 2011. Unlike planets, comets have a tail and a gas environment known as a comet. The comet, however, erred too far from the Sun and fragmented rather than crashing onto Earth. For the next 12,000 years, the remaining pieces will continue on their journey to the outer solar system as comet remnants rather than a more coherent planet. After the 2003 and 2012 claims, there were also claims about Nibiru's possibility of hitting Earth in around August to October 2017, which again didn't happen. I remember how people were talking about it in 2017. In conclusion, when it comes to my comments, Planet X remains hypothetical, and a hypothesis means a scientific idea about a scientific possibility, and I don't think there's a problem with that. Who knows, maybe there actually is a ninth planet in our solar system. But the main issue is that 2003, 2012, or 2017, in these 3 different years, nothing really happened, and the idea of a planet hitting Earth isn't scientifically accurate, which means it isn't supported by any scientific evidence, and astronomers aren't seeing any signs of a planet hitting. Therefore, Nibiru remains as a myth. Thank you for watching, and thank you for 40 subscribers, and stay astronomical.